Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification icon so whenever I'm uploading new videos, you'll get it. Well guys, many of you were asking me to make smoked pork with Anishi, and I was also longing to have that because it's been like many months since I haven't had this smoked pork with Anishi. So one day as I was surfing through the net, I found one website called Island whatever it's called. I found there that we can order our local food items and dry vegetables, toys, and even many of you were asking me about my aluminum stand plate, so you can get it from there also. So this time I order smoked pork and Anishi from Island. So guys, this is the parcel that I've received from Island. We are going to unbox it, so let's see. Come on. So let me open this. I hope it will be good because I'm opening in front of you. Unboxing done. Now the main thing. Oh, this is Anishi. Oh, I thought we'll get only few pieces, but it's a lot. It's a good piece. So this is Anishi, and now this smoked pork. Their packing is also very good. By the way, let me tell you guys, this video is not sponsored by anyone, not by Lenlo or by anyone. I just want to show you because I want to let you know that if you want your food items from Nagaland, you can order from there. So that's why I'm showing it. This is the smoked pork. I'm going to display the products here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 10 pieces of Anishi. And this is smoked pork. Boneless pork. This is half kg. I think I don't need to beat it because it's already soft. Medium size I'm cutting. It's up to you. You can cut it in a small pieces also or a bigger piece also. Yeah, done. So Anishi also, I will beat this. It's a good Anishi. It looks like it's from Sangratsu. Sangratsu village is known for making good Anishi. I'm going to wash the smoked pork with hot water. smells good. Now I'll remove it and I'll put it in a vessel. Washing done. I'll put this Anishi also. Hot water. Oh, water is less, I'll put more. I'm adding more water. Yeah. Red chili, dried chilies. If you want, you can use king chili, but this chili also is really hot, so I'm using this only. Ginger, tomatoes, and salt for taste. Well, I've added all the ingredients. Now it's time to boil. It will take at least half an hour to cook it nicely. So please guys, when you're making pork, please boil it nicely, at least half an hour. I'll keep it. Yeah, this also is boiling nicely. See this lovely Anishi and smoked pork. I know many of you are drooling right now by watching this. Well, it will take some time. Guys, it's boiling nicely. Let me check the chilies if it's cooked or not. I guess it will take some more time. Let's see if the chilies are cooked or not. Yeah, now it's well cooked. I'm going to pour it. And then I will take out the tomatoes as well. Some of my friends, they ask me like, why don't you just grind the tomatoes in the chili? So I told them that it's a Naga style. First we will cook it, then only we'll pound it. So I will put it back. Let me check the Anishi also. I think it will take some time. Yeah, we'll wait for the Anishi to cook. Let's check the Anishi. नरम होइছে दे ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करोगे. Now we have to pound it. When we were small, like if we are not pounding it nicely, my father used to get irritated. He used to say like, do it nicely, otherwise like that Anishi will look like a Johala Paikan Anishina. When you are pounding it, if you feel like that it's too dry, then you can add some hot water. Little bit of hot water, just to make it easier. Yeah, I pound it very nicely. See, if my dad is here, he won't be irritated. It's too thick, so I will add some water. Actually, I love this gravy. After eating this meat, I can use this gravy for tomorrow also. Now it's done. So one more thing we need to add. We'll cover it in oil. See here. Little bit of michinga kudi. As I said in my previous video, this is not from Nagaland, so it looks a little bit different. I think this will do. You'll pound it. You'll add it here. And at last, we'll add this garlic. add this garlic. And my Anishi sabji is done. Done. अभी तो खाओली बाकी है जी. ইমান টেষ্ট আছে লাউ বইল আছে ন Anishi also is so good. Many of my friends are from Sangatsu village, so I used to go and have lunch and dinner at their house. So it's exactly like the Anishi that I used to eat from there. So I guess it's from Sangatsu village, I guess, if I'm not wrong. It's so tasty.